Step 1, copy this text. Step 2, paste it here. Step 3, click submit. Step 4, wait for a couple of minutes and then just...
Now, YouTube is filled with tons of videos offering you quick and easy ways to make money without having a lot of effort, without having a lot of skills, without having a lot of knowledge. If you just have a phone, just do this and make thousands and thousands of dollars without learning anything. And these videos are watched by hundreds of thousands or even millions of people every single year. And I want to show you the reality of these type of videos. One such being copy and paste to earn $5,000 plus using Google for free. And the thumbnail says $6,590, 48 minutes. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
We're about to learn how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income on an autopilot right from your home without having to invest any money at all.
You know, videos like these actually remind me of what Gary Vaynerchuk once said about passive income. Hear it out yourself.
Millions of dollars in passive income on the internet, smoking weed in Jamaica while it just keeps coming in is just not as real as you think, partner.
Okay, let's get back now.
And our first step is going to be coming over to the website called mangoals.com or mangols.com. You don't have to have any website and you do not need any SEO knowledge. You just need to simply follow the steps. It's going to be so easy since you literally don't need anything that even if a newborn baby knew how to talk, she could watch this tutorial and be able to set this up for herself. Anyways.
That's not how it happens. That's not how it happens. It's not that easy for you to do stuff like this. I'll tell you why that is the case.
Yes. So now that you know what ManGools does, you will need to sign up for absolutely free. So click here, come to the top of the page and click here, and that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. Here on the left-hand side, you will be able to see this affiliate section. You can join their affiliate program that pays 30% reoccurring in monthly commissions. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is the $69 per month plan, which means you're making around $20.70 per month per person you refer. You refer 100 people, that's already $2,070 per month in pure passive income. No,
being able to refer that many people is going to be a huge task, and it's not going to be as easy as this video portrays. I feel like the person in this video is trying to make this video longer than it actually should be, talking about obvious steps like go to google.com and then register for mongols.com and stuff like that. I don't know. That's basically how these things work. You have to cross the 10-minute mark if you want to make this video go viral, or for YouTube to recommend this video to more people and for you to make more money with the help of YouTube, AdSense and stuff.
For now, just go to affiliate program and go to promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link that will make us money. When people click on it, they will be sent to this page where they can sign up to ManGools, and depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that and go to Bitly, bit.ly. Bitly is a link shortening service. So in order to make this long affiliate link short and sweet, all you need to do is paste it here, click shorten, and just copy the shortened version. Let's go back to Google and just think for a second, who will benefit from this tool but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously every business that has a website. And do you know how many of them are out there? Over 1 billion. Yep, not a million, not a 100 million, but a 1 billion. And you need just 100 of them, just 100, not even 1,000, just 100 of them to use your referral link, and you will make thousands of dollars, over $20,000 per year without lifting a finger, just if 100 of them sign up. That's just insane. But
now look, being able to sell this to 100 different businesses online without them knowing who you actually are is next to impossible. I get emails every single day of people trying to offer me services, people trying to offer me their affiliate link. You know what I do? I block them. That's basically what I do. And that's what everyone else will do. Now, I'll be honest with you. One of the best ways for you to actually make money is to learn a skill. For example, video editing. And lucky for you, I'm taking a free 1-hour live session on how you can become a video editor freelancer. In this, I'll be talking about how can you learn video editing, what are the essential things that you must learn when you're editing a video, and how can you get clients as a video editor. I have personally edited over 400 videos for my clients, over 300 videos on my own channel, and I currently have over 10 different video editors working with me on MarketUp. The free class is on 29 December, 5 p.m. Make sure that you join. You can ask me questions and I can reply to you at the same time. You can join the class by clicking the link in the description and entering the code WINTERCAMP. I hope to see you there in the class.
You just go to Google, think of some business, maybe dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small place, a small city or town. You know, for example, I can search for Newberry, South Carolina, for example, dentist, or Newberry gym, or Greenville gym, or Kent, Ohio restaurant. So you'll open some of these websites, and on 99% of them, you'll be able to see their contact information either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. So you can start your own message or email with like, dear sir or madam, I saw you were running a nice business, or I saw you had a nice restaurant, or a nice office, or a nice coffee shop, or a nice jewelry shop, or whatever it is, but your website is not ranking, so you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days, or something like that, and they should be intrigued. Now you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in that first message, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your affiliate link after you build some trust with them. And remember, you need to do this only once to get some signups once, and you will keep making monthly passive income for the...
So the basic idea is you get the affiliate link from any business, and then you email that to other businesses which might want to use these services. And when you do that, they might end up buying it. And I'm saying might in quotes because it's really hard for that to happen. Let me explain why. You can do this affiliate thing with any website that you want to, and they will always have some sort of an affiliate program for you. But it's very hard for you to make a lot of money with this. Sure, you can try to email a lot of businesses. You can try to hustle your way in. Most of the businesses will not reply. At least that's what I have seen from my personal experience of trying to get clients for MarketUp. This method might work for some people. It's more like luck-based thing. They might click on the link, they might not. If you try to send a lot of emails to a lot of different businesses, Google or Gmail might just send all of your emails in the spam folder. And when that happens, your email gets blacklisted. You might not even know that your email is landing in the spam folder of someone, and you will not be able to get clients this way. What you should understand is when the barrier of entry is so low, there's always going to be a ton of competition out there, and the ability for you to make money reduces a lot, right? Like, why is software development such a sought after field? Because it has a barrier to entry, right? You need to learn to code, and then you need to learn how DSA works, how competitive coding works, and then you need to give a test, you need to give a coding interview, and that is how you get in. Things like these, in which you just take the affiliate link and email it to a bunch of people who you have never met before. They have no context with talking to you. It's very hard. It's next to impossible. You tell me in the comment section, have you tried this out? Have you ever made money from this? I would love to know your thoughts on something like this. I feel this is absolutely ridiculous, but that's what I have to say. I hope this video is interesting. I hope you got to learn something from this. Don't forget to attend the class on how can you become a video editor. The link for that is going to be in the description. Do take a look at that. And that is a legit way for you to make money. And yeah, that's all I have for you. If you're still watching, write down in the comment section, stop this scam. Okay, just write in the comment section, stop this scam. You can take a look at my Instagram as well as Twitter, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.